In today's video, I will show you 5 tips that will help you to master Midjourney. Tip number 1, negative command. So type slash, select imagine. Now let's type a prompt. A girl holding balloons. Press enter. So Midjourney has generated our image. Now let's take a close look. So these 4 images are looking absolutely beautiful. So in these images you can clearly see that these 4 girls are holding red balloons. So for example, let's say you don't want red balloons in your AI image. So what you can do is you simply copy this prompt, then come here, type slash, select imagine, paste this prompt, then type dash dash, then type no, no, and now here you simply have to type whatever you don't want in your AI image. So for example, I don't want red balloons, so I will type red balloons and then I will simply press enter, and now Midjourney will generate our AI image and it will make sure that there is no red balloon in our AI generated art, and our AI art has been generated. Let's take a close look. And here you can clearly see there is no red balloon in our AI generated image. Tip number 2, emojis as prompt. So do you know that we can also use emojis to generate AI images? So for example, come here, then type slash, select imagine. So to select an emoji, come right here. You see these icons, click on it, then scroll down and select your emoji. So for example, I will simply scroll down and I will select this emoji right here. This is a emoji of a dog. I will simply click on it. Then I can simply press enter, and now we just have to wait. So our AI art has been generated. Now let's take a close look. And here you can see that we can generate AI images with emojis inside Midjourney. Tip number 3, start using reroll. Come here, type slash, select imagine. So now I will type dog eating pizza, then press enter. And this is the image Midjourney has generated for us. And here we can clearly see that these dogs are eating pizza. So for example, let's say you don't like these AI arts. So instead of copying this whole prompt again, then typing slash, imagine, putting the prompt again, then pressing enter, instead of doing all this, what you can do is you can simply click right here on this button. This is called the reroll button. If you simply click on this button, Midjourney will use this same prompt and it's going to generate different sets of AI images. And here we can see that Midjourney has generated another 4 different images of dog eating a pizza, and this is how you can use the reroll button to generate AI images. Tip number 4, use ChatGPT to generate Midjourney prompts. So we are in Google now. Just simply search ChatGPT. Then click on search. Click on the first link. Then click on try ChatGPT. So we are right now inside of ChatGPT, and now I will teach you how can you use ChatGPT to generate your Midjourney prompt. So the first thing you need to do is copy this text phrase right here. Can you create 3 separate highly detailed prompts for the AI image generator Midjourney? Each detail must be separated by comma, which describes a scene in intricate detail, adding artistic style, the light setting, artistic descriptive terms, and the mood of the image. Input prompt. So just copy the whole text phrase and simply paste it right here. Left click, then Ctrl V, and now just input your prompt. So let's say I want to generate AI art of a cyborg cat. So I will simply type cyborg, then cat. Then I will simply press enter. And here you can see ChatGPT is creating highly detailed Midjourney prompts for us. So let's take a look at our prompt. The first one says cyborg cat on a neon lit rooftop. The second one says cyborg cat in a rustic forest, and the third one says cyborg cat in a cyberpunk alleyway. So let's select the third one. So I will simply copy from here to here, then right click, click on copy, simply open Discord, then press slash, select imagine. So now we just need to simply paste the text phrase from ChatGPT. Control V, press enter, and here you can see Midjourney is generating our AI art. So here it is, and it's looking absolutely beautiful. So this is how you can use ChatGPT to generate Midjourney prompts. Tip number 5, image blending. Before we start learning about the image blending feature, you must know that there are total 2 ways to blend images together. The first is using the /imagine command, and the second one is by using the /blend command. So first let's learn about the /imagine command. So let's type slash, then imagine, select imagine, let's open Google, let's type Superman. Now let's open another Google tab. Now type Batman. Click on search. Click on images. Select any image you like. For example, I'm going to select this image right here. Then right click. Click on open image in new tab. And here is the image of Batman. Now let's come to the Superman tab. Click on images. Select any image you want. For example, I like this image right here. Right click, open image in new tab. So we have a image of Superman and a image of Batman. So what I'm going to do is press right click, then click on copy image address, then open Discord, then again right click and paste. Then I will press space, open Google again, come to the Batman picture, right click, copy image address, open Discord again, right click and paste. Now press enter. Now here is the final image, and I would say Midjourney did a pretty good job of blending these two images together. Now we are going to try the /blend method. So I have downloaded these two pictures on my computer. So let's open Discord. Now type /blend, BLEND. Click here. Now you just have to simply drag and drop your images here. So I'm gonna click here, hold, drag the image here, then open again, click, hold, drag the image here. Then I will press enter. And guys, this is the final result, and this is how you can blend images together in Midjourney. So this was it for our today's video, and I will see you in our next video. Take care, peace out, bye bye.